today we will clean up with Will, and this is day 37. I'll repeat, this is day 37. I had to start all over because my phone fell in the water, and we're not gonna put it right there next to the water. I'm gonna have y'all right there. Hold on, we're gonna have to try this again, bro. We're gonna have to try this again, man. And I shot a whole top, and then my phone fell in the water. What type of is that, bro? Hey, the devil can't stop the ground though. You can't do that at all. And I thought my volume went out just because it went in the water. But thank God it went out. But if it go out later, I'm gonna have to buy me a new phone, bro. Off top. I'm gonna have to buy me a new phone. We just know better not to put, you know, iPhone next to the water. You know, never again, bro. Never again. I got you. What the heck is going on with me today? The devil's trying to stop the ground, man. Only thing you can do when something bad happens, man, is embrace it. Man. That's all you can do. Move it. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Cause problems will keep coming. That's just how life is, man. If you exist, man, people gonna talk about you. And if you living and walking on this earth, man, problems gonna something gonna mess with you, man. Something gonna try you before you get off earth. You know. have to place that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. You know, those little stuff. Crack a whole top of a pot.